All right, my beautiful people, I'm going to take you through how to use Adobe Premiere Pro from the nitty gritty. All right. First things first, you have your desktop. You always want to make sure, and you know I get on you guys about this, to create your new folder and always make sure it is your name. So that way you can always make sure, because everybody complains, Miss Jackson, they stole my stuff. And no one steals your stuff, I promise you. But however, you do save it into somebody else's folder because you're being sloppy. So here's my Genevieve folder. Right? It's right there in my Scratch drive. Always make sure you save it into your Scratch drive. Why into your Scratch drive? Because that's what I said. Your Scratch drive can hold 2 terabytes of information. Now, when you launch Adobe Premiere Pro for the first time, first you want to come down here to Applications. You have all your software up here. PR. That's where it is. PR. Click once. Click twice. And it is going to load. Now, you don't need to do a whole bunch of extra stuff. Just let it load. It's going to load and it's going to be there for you. When you click New Project, it's going to come up with the last 2 projects that you were working on. You click New Project when you're creating your first project. Now, the biggest thing that everybody messes up on is that they do not give it a saving path. I've talked about this a million times and you guys refuse to do it. You click Browse. On the side here, you click your Scratch drive. You find the folder with your name on it. There it is. You find the project that you're working in, and then you choose. Now you can call it your name, and you click OK. And then it comes up with your sequence. You're going to call it the same thing. And boom. Well, maybe not. Boom. There's your project. So, as you can see, it's all here. Check the file path at the top. It should say Scratch Drive, your name, and the project that you're working in, and your name again. If it says somebody else's name up here, that means you saved it in the wrong folder. It's a very simple fix. You click File, you save as, and you make sure to point it to the folder with your name on it, nobody else's folder. All right, your name, double click, right in there, and you save. All right, so that is how you create a project.